It might not look like Florida, but welcome to Santos, where Florida's wild side rides free. Welcome to the adventure epicenter of Central Florida, the incredible Santos Trails in Ocala, Marion County. This trail system is nestled within the vast Cross Florida Greenway. I'm Commissioner Carl Zalak, and today I'm taking you to one of America's best mountain biking trails. You know what? It's hard to believe Santos is right here in Florida. Never mind 10 minutes from downtown Ocala. And guess what? I've brought the expert that knows every bump and turn of these trails, my friend Chris Fernandez, the owner of Santos Bike Shop.
Carl, this place is so special, man. It's one of the best adventure destinations in the entire state. I tell you, people from all over the Southeast, all over this country, even outside of this country, they come here to ride.
Nice.
So, are you ready to go out and hit some of these trails with me today?
I've been looking forward to it, Chris.
All right, Carl, I'm excited. Let's go back to the shop and we'll get you all geared up.
Let's go. The Santos Bike Shop has 2 stores in Ocala, including a trailside location right across the street from the main Santos trailhead. They rent everything here: bikes, helmets, gear, whatever you need.
All right, Commissioner, before we hit the trails, we got to get you geared up. I got a lot of bikes here. For starters, we have e-bikes. These help riders cover significantly more ground because of the motor assist. So if you want a leisurely ride and the ability to go pretty far out, this is your bike. We have road bikes. These bikes are for speed and fitness riding due to their lightweight frames, skinny tires, and aerodynamic position. Take these out on the paved trail and you can really fly on these bikes. Recumbent bikes. These things have a low center of gravity, which makes them more stable. These are ideal for riders with lower back or balance issues. And of course, we have traditional mountain bikes and full suspension, and lots of them. These are rugged and tough, and they can be ridden on any type of trail out there. So basically, all that being said, we've got the right bike here for you.
Nice.
All right, but first, you're gonna have to ditch the cowboy hat.
Let's do it.
All right, man, let's go.
This is awesome. Your shop is literally across the street from the trails.
They're right over there.
Let's go.
Carl, the mountain bike trails actually start over here.
Nice.
Let's go left. Move it up, go, go.
Woo, woo! Woo! Yeah! I'll tell you what, that one tree almost took me out. But even a beginner can do this, and it's sure a lot of fun.
Hey, as we're riding through here, Carl, keep a lookout for the green signposts, the blue signposts, and the black ones.
Here's an insider's tip. Out here, green trails are for the beginners, blue trails are for intermediate riders, and black trails are reserved for the most advanced riders. Today, Santos Park features a wide variety of trails for multi-uses, including over 80 miles of single-track mountain bike trails, a 16-mile paved multi-use path that connects Santos to State Road 200, hiking and running trails, and more than 60 miles of equestrian trails that run westward from Santos toward Denellen. Here's an insider tip. To experience some of the most beautiful horseback riding routes in the state, you can saddle on up with Cactus Jack's trail rides located at the Land Bridge Trailhead. All right, Chris. Man, this is where the extreme riders come to play, huh?
Carl, this is the big one, baby. Let's do it.
Yeah, baby! You gotta love that! This is definitely the playground for the highly skilled riders.
Carl, this is known as the vortex. This is where all the jumps, all the cliff drops, all the flow trails. This is where all the major action is located here.
These guys are putting on a show.
I tell you what, there's some extreme stuff out here that I would probably not do myself.
That's awesome.
But I do have something else to show you.
Really?
Yes.
All
Come
right.
on.
Every view out here is stunning, but we can tell you how to find our favorite spot. So here's an insider tip. It's a hidden cliffside overlook on the Ant Hill Trail,
Wow, guys, look over there.
And make sure you ride early to catch that morning light. It's definitely worth it. And for our final stop of the day, we're heading out to the iconic land bridge that crosses over I-75 and connects riders and hikers to the western corridor of the trail system.
Wow, this is awesome. We made it.
This land bridge was built in 2000 to allow both wildlife and people to cross the busy highway safely.
All right, let's get in here, buddy.
Today, bikers, hikers, equestrian riders, and yes, even the wildlife use this crossing. It's just one of the reasons the Santos Trail System is one of the most popular adventure destinations in the Southeast. From those who built it to those who ride it, Santos and the Cross Florida Greenway are the very best Ocala Marion County has to offer. So you know what to do. Grab a bike, find your trail, and experience the ride of a lifetime. So whether you're a visitor or a local, Marion County has so many great experiences and history to share. Don't forget, visit ocalamarion.com and plan your trip. And download the Ocala Marion Travel Guide app to discover even more exciting experiences. Share, like, follow, and subscribe so you can explore Marion County like a local. So come on and vacation where we live.